back to our basketball. Now we're going to make it look hot. Got your flame stencil. You can use either the negative, like I explained, or the positive. Take out your yellow. Lay it up there, around the basketball, wherever you want to do it. You have some flames there. You can come up here and you can add some more. Put some more. Whatever. Just remember, there's no rules. You can change colors if you want. You can even come back with the airbrush afterwards and just draw your own flames in if you're feeling frisky. At this point, you can do whatever. You can grab your positive now. Take another color. It's probably getting too much for you right now, but I'm just trying to show you how to use this stencil. I'll come down here. The more color you put on it, the more things you can do.